What is CRM? CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management, which is a system for managing all of your company's interactions with current and potential customers. CRM is the combination of practices, strategies, and technologies that companies use to manage and analyze customer interactions and data throughout the customer life cycle. The goal is to improve customer service relationships and assist with customer retention and drive sales growth. CRM systems compile customer data across different channels and points of contact between the customer and the company. These can include the company's website, telephone, live chat, direct mail, marketing materials, and social networks. Types of CRM. On-premise CRMs. This kind of CRM is generally built inside the company premises, can be accessed only within the boundaries of the campus. The implementation of an internal CRM system typically requires significant effort in setting up the back-end infrastructure, monitoring maintenance, and performing upgrades over its operational life cycle. Cloud-based CRMs. The cloud-based CRM system is the most common form, typically delivered by a software service provider. It can be deployed quickly and flexibly while being easily accessible through any web browser from anywhere in the world. The essential requirement for operating a cloud-based CRM is a stable computing system with an internet connection, which minimizes the challenges of initial technology infrastructure investment. Industry-specific CRMs. These CRMs are built from the ground up to cater to the niche requirements of different industries. Dedicated CRM software tools are rather common these days, and are most widely available for industry verticals like real estate, healthcare, insurance, financial services, media agencies, hospitality, and more. All-in-one CRMs. The comprehensive integrated CRM solutions are typically an upgraded version of cloud-based CRM, offering a wide array of powerful, customizable features and the ability to seamlessly integrate with multiple enterprise software systems. With a single CRM application, a business can manage sales processes, forecast revenue, and handle intricate details for each customer segment within the database. Additionally, these CRM versions are equipped with enhanced security measures, are easily adaptable across various industries, and provide rapid visibility into the overall business workflow impact. Key features of CRM. Lead management, contact management, email management, sales automation, reporting and analytics, marketing automation, customization, mobile CRM, the application of CRM software in manufacturing, inventory tracking. Keep a close eye on the manufacturing CRM process by tracking the movement of raw materials and finished goods, all while managing batch and serial numbers to ensure precision and efficiency. Order, purchase tracking. Streamline your manufacturing CRM operations with ease by keeping a comprehensive record of customer orders and purchases. All essential details, such as order due dates, customer addresses, item specifications, and more, are seamlessly integrated into a single, organized location. Product repository. Create a user-friendly, searchable product database that includes vital information like images, size measurements, pricing, and tags to enhance the accessibility and functionality of your product catalog in your manufacturing CRM. Quote management. Empower your sales team to effortlessly generate and send quotations, while the manufacturing CRM automatically computes product expenses and tax amounts and adapts discounts for a seamless and efficient quoting process. Benefits of CRM in manufacturing. High-quality leads. Efficient sales processes not only bring in more customers and higher revenue, but also enable businesses to target the right quality leads. The lead management tool in manufacturing CRM software empowers businesses to optimize this process, track customer responses and interactions through marketing campaigns, and evaluate and identify high-conversion potential contacts. Better sales performance. CRM enables a manufacturing company to gain valuable insights into consumer behavior, prioritize consumers based on purchase volume, analyze deal close rates, lead generation, and other aspects based on historical data. CRM for manufacturing automates and sorts each of these elements, providing intelligent insights and analytics. This saves companies a lot of time and effort, while also assisting management in formulating sales objectives. Accurate forecasting. CRM in the manufacturing industry serves as an integrated platform, providing accurate demand forecasts to optimize operations and supply chain decisions. This enables businesses to accelerate product time to market ahead of competitors, thereby creating a competitive advantage. Greater supply chain visibility. When business operations are not optimized, supply chain activities can become overly complex. CRM in the manufacturing industry provides valuable insights into operations, inventory management, order processing, warehousing, and distribution networks, enabling more efficient production scheduling. Moreover, CRM supports maintaining a steady supply of raw materials and accelerates the process of getting products from the factory to the market.